Good morning, Cello Bass Friends. Welcome back to day 3 of online orchestra. Today, we are going to go through the Go Tell Aunt Rhody 2-line staff exercises that I posted on Tuesday. Yes, basses, I will make a separate bass video, but you could very easily follow along with this while I'm playing cello as well. You do most of the time anyway. So, what you will need in front of you, and I have one of my copies here. This is actually my violin and viola copy, but you get the point. What you're gonna need in front of you is the 2-line staff sheet that I posted to Google Classroom on Tuesday. You're gonna need this in front of you, and hopefully you've been practicing it just a little bit. So on Tuesday, I asked you to go through 3 different steps, and we're gonna go through those together right now. The first step that I asked you to go through was counting and clapping each example. This is for rhythm specifically. So take a look at number 1 with me. Take 10 seconds. Count through the rhythm just in your head. Okay, you got it? All right, let's clap and count this rhythm together. That means counting out loud. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, clap and count. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Fabulous. Do it again with me. Check out those 8th notes. Make sure they're a little quicker. Ready? Again. Here it is. Ready and set, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Fabulous. My dog is sniffing my bow right now, which is on the floor. Anyway, good. Let's check out number 2. This one tends to trick people. Really look at where those 8th notes are. Are they on beat 2 or beat 3? They're on beat 3. Be really careful. Let's clap and count number 2. Ready and set, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Do it again. Little tricky. Ready and set, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. All right. Take a look at number 3. Let's clap and count this rhythm together. Ready and set, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now before we do it again, take a look back at number 1. Now look at number 3. How are they very similar? The rhythm is not only similar, it is exactly the same. Count for count. Do number 3 one more time with me. Ready and set, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good. Now, taking a look at this last example, I'm gonna hold it up. You might not be able to see it, but I'm gonna hold it up anyway. Down here at the bottom, remember, this is a set of what kind of notes? 8th notes. Yes, fabulous. We are going to count those 1 and 2 and. Be very careful. This is also a what kind of note? Half note. Good. And it's worth how many beats? 2. Awesome. Let's clap and count number 4 together. Careful of these 8th notes. Ready and set, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Do it again. My rock stop slipped. Y'all know how that goes. Ready, here it is. Again, ready, set, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Good. All right. The second step is to play through this pizzicato. This gives our left hand the opportunity to figure out what's going on. So let's look back at number 1. We start on, what note is this? F sharp. Good. We're going to play this very slowly, pizzicato. We've actually played this before in our previous work of the 2-line staff. Hopefully it's a little familiar. Here we go. Pluck with me, starting on F sharp. Ready and set, go. Good. Do it one more time with me. Ready and set, go. number 2, remember, the placement of these eighth notes tends to trick people. Really make sure those eighth notes are on beat 3. We start with a first finger E. Play this with me. This is number 2. Ready and set, go. Good, thank you. Do it one more time. Very steady on these first quarter notes. Do not let them turn into eighth notes. Ready and set, go. Good, thank you. Take a look at number 3. Perched at the very top on that little half line is a what kind of note? Good, it's an open A. I've had some questions here about whether you should tunnel. The answer is no. I would not tunnel here. I would use the rock and block. The reason why is because the example before ends on an open D. And going from an open D to an open A, your left hand just doesn't have a chance to really prepare itself. So this just isn't a great tunnel spot. Go ahead and rock and block. Here we go. Here's number 3, starting on open A. You can have that G hovering though, ready to go. Here it is. Open A. Ready and set, go. Good. Do it again. My left hand was not super accurate on that one. We're going to do it again. Ready and set, go. Last one's a little weird. That set of eighth notes, not only does it move a little quick, your left hand has to move a little quick too. Listen to it first. I'm going to play it for you first. I'm starting on first finger E. Notice E, D, E, F sharp, D. Play number 4 with me. Ready and set, go. One more time. Ready and set, go. Good, okay. That's a measure worth practicing. It's pretty tricky at first. Okay, pick up your bow. We are now going to play through each example slowly with a legato bow stroke. Yes, we want this to be smooth and connected. Go back to number 1, get your F sharp ready. I'll play it first so you can hear how it sounds. Play it with me, starting on F sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Take a look at number 2. Put your first finger down. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Take a look at number 3. No tunneling. Rock and block, please. Here's number 3. Ready and set, go. Good. And then the last one. I'll play it first. Listen again to how it sounds. Sorry, my cello was a little squeaky there. Do it with me. Ready and set, go. Good. The final challenge that I'm going to give to you is we are going to play all 4 examples in a row without stopping. Quick reminder about this. This is part A of Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Now, we will take a gold medal test over Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Not only that, but you will be quizzed over something inside of part A. Might be a measure, might be 2 measures, might be the entire thing. So, whether we're in school or not, you will have a quiz over this material. Practice it, please. Here we go. Let's play this together. From the top, all 4 examples in a row. 1, 2, ready and set, go. this makes sense. If you have questions or need help, let me know. I'm here for y'all. Have a great day. Enjoy the rain. I find it really soothing. Anyway, bye guys.